Welcome to Token Clash. Today, we are looking at the massive battle in artificial intelligence consumer entertainment characters against hardcore crypto developer tools. First is Virtuals, trading near 85 cents with a market cap of roughly $560 million. Next is Chain GPT, trading near 3 cents with a market cap of $28 million. Let's look at the data. Let us talk about the community. Virtuals has a massive army of fans because people love the idea of owning a piece of a virtual influencer. It is flashy and easy to understand. ChainGPT has a quieter community of traders and developers looking for shortcuts to write code. Because entertainment simply sells faster than coding tools, Virtuals has way more mainstream appeal. Virtuals gets 18 points. ChainGPT gets 15. Where can you actually buy them? Both are on major exchanges, but Virtuals is getting listed everywhere right now because of the massive artificial intelligence hype. ChainGPT is easy to find, but it simply lacks the explosive daily trading volume of the big boys. If you want deep liquidity to get in and out quickly without moving the price, Virtuals is the better bet right now. Virtuals takes 18, ChainGPT takes 16. Let us talk about token supply, which is basically how much your wallet gets drained by inflation. Virtuals still has about 35% of its tokens locked up, meaning more supply will hit the market eventually and dilute your bag. ChainGPT, however, already has over 90% of its tokens out in the wild. If you hate inflation, ChainGPT is the safer bet today. ChainGPT extracts 19 points, Virtuals takes 15. What do these things actually do? Virtuals lets you co-own an artificial intelligence character that plays games, streams, and makes money on its own. It is wild consumer technology. ChainGPT is basically a super smart assistant that writes and checks crypto contracts for bugs. One is a flashy toy that grabs attention, the other is a practical work tool. Virtual secures 19 for the crazy consumer tech. ChainGPT takes 18. Who is actually using this stuff every day? People are throwing millions of dollars at Virtual's characters just to speculate and be part of the culture. It is pure entertainment. ChainGPT actually saves programmers thousands of dollars by auditing code in seconds, offering real, boring, but totally necessary utility for the crypto space. For practical daily use, ChainGPT secures 19 points. Virtuals takes 17. Both development teams are rock solid, but they are playing completely different games. Virtuals has a team focused entirely on gaming, music, and mainstream entertainment, partnering with big creators. ChainGPT has hardcore programmers who know exactly what the industry needs to build safer networks. They both execute exactly what they promise to do, without any nonsense. The judges call it a tie. 18 points for Virtuals, 18 points for ChainGPT. Let us talk about who controls the brains. Artificial intelligence is mostly controlled by big tech companies right now. Virtuals tries to decentralize the ownership of its characters, but the underlying intelligence still relies on big central servers. ChainGPT also relies on major language models to do its heavy lifting. Neither is perfectly decentralized yet, but both are moving in the right direction. Another tie, 17 points for both. This is where the big money is made, the hype. The narrative right now is all about artificial intelligence agents that can think for themselves and go viral on social media. Virtuals is sitting right in the middle of the biggest hype train of the year. ChainGPT is useful, but let us be honest, developer tools just do not go viral on the timeline. Virtuals crushes it here. Virtuals 20 points, ChainGPT 15 points. Look at the charts. Virtuals has been exploding recently, making early buyers a lot of money and recovering quickly whenever the market dips. ChainGPT has been bleeding out for a long time, struggling to get back to its previous highs and punishing people who bought the top. For pure chart momentum and actually making money in a bull run, Virtuals wins easily. Virtuals takes 19 points. ChainGPT takes 14 in the final round. This concludes our evaluation. We have tabulated the final scores. ChainGPT accumulated a very solid 151 total points, proving to be a highly useful, low inflation tool for developers. However, With a final score of 161 total points, Virtuals takes the victory. The summary is simple. If you want a practical project with almost zero inflation risk that helps people write code, ChainGPT is a smart, fundamental play. But if you want explosive market momentum and you want to ride the massive wave of artificial intelligence characters and virtual influencers, Virtuals is the absolute winner right now. Always do your own research before investing. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss our next battle.